Hi guys, welcome to my channel Get Creative with Polemy, and today I'm back with a very special video. It is about a pottery studio which is very near to my place. We go there. I love it. So wanted to show you guys how the experience is. It's called Color Me Mine, and there we are. The studio has a variety of pottery pieces, from bowls, plates to Christmas trees to dog bowls, trays. The cost depends on the size of the pottery. So I often come here and make myself something for my house, and I love it. So now I'm going to show you the color palettes when it's done on crockery, how it looks all shiny. And those are the glazing colors which we use for pottery painting. So they also have a palette which they will give you, and you have to write the numbers of those colors and they'll provide you with that. And for this they take a studio charge per head. I chose a dog bowl, and my son chose a cheese board, and both of these are Christmas gifts, something really personalized for our very close friends and families. I could not capture much because I was in a studio, so whatever I could, I just wanted to share this experience. So things to note here is pottery painting is a little difficult than normal canvas or drawing book painting, because since the glaze is not very user friendly, and it doesn't slide very well with the brushes. So far I'm done with the coloring of the base of the bowl, and now I am planning to do a very colorful bowl. So I've taken all sorts of colors and would apply them, and my design would keep it very simple. As I said, coloring with glazing paint is not that easy. So my design is like having different colors, and on top of different colors we would be putting a deep dot, a big dot rather, of the same color. So now I'm finishing with a pink color, and after that would do the dots on top of each color. Also, we are lucky because one of the staff members, when they saw that we were making video capturing the process, they offered us to see the small factory they have in their back end, and she will explain what is exactly done post we do our colors. So now I am making the dots. Suppose it's a pink base, so a pink dot, or a green base, so green dot. So likewise I am just trying to do a very basic design, and post which I am painting the base of this bowl with a very deep navy blue color. We are almost done with our water bowl and cheese board, and the most exciting part is awaited. The staff will actually take us to the back room and show the entire machinery and explain the process.
They get dipped in a clear glaze and they are in here. But we have to dip these pieces and they have to dry again. So they have to dry multiple days. And then when they go in here, then we get them.
First you put it in the white layer again?
They have to be dipped in a clear glaze, which is in that tank. So they get dipped in a clear glaze, and then they have to dry, and then I just loaded these, and so it hasn't started yet. So then we'll get it going. So it's just not on right now, but all these coils heat up really hot. And it's in here for a whole 24 hours.
24 hours.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yep. So, but they have to dry for at least 24 hours, and then they have to get dipped. So, like, I'm dipping these later tonight, and they have to dry for another 24 hours. And then
These ones
they
you're
can go
dipping,
in.
right?
These I'm going to be dipping,
Okay.
and after I dip them, they'll look like how they are in here. Kind
Okay,
of the
it'll be like
light
white
green.
almost.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. And that just
Light
goes on
green,
top of the
yeah.
color. Yep.
Great.
Yeah. And then
It's almost been a week, and suddenly I get a call from them that my stuff is ready. So I'm so excited and going there very soon. Finally, I get to reach Color Me Mine. I'm really excited, I can't tell you. Let's see what has come up. I think this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Sorry, right in front of me.
Yes. This one. Can you open that for me?
This is the dog bowl.
Oh my goodness, this is so cute.
And here's the cheese bowl.
Oh wow, this has also come out pretty
I
good.
know. Everything's okay for you?
Yeah, wonderful. So this is the final product. They look so pretty. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll be back soon. Thanks. Bye.